Let's make your dream of working in Japan come true together. Hello everyone, I have some exciting news to share with you today. If you are a software engineer dreaming of working in Japan, this video is for you. We are officially launching a new online Japanese language course called NihongoDev, and it's designed specifically for beginner to intermediate for engineers. I want to take the next few minutes to tell you what NihongoDev is all about, why we started it, and how it can help you. Our vision is to make building a career in Japan more casual. Saras is an engineer working at an AI company in India. 2 years ago, she has promoted to manager, and she finally has the time and resources to enjoy traveling abroad. Yet, deep down, she felt something was missing. She realized what it was when she traveled to Japan. In a quiet room in Kyoto, she took a sip of matcha. Within that single cup of deep green lay hundreds of years of tradition and craftsmanship. A sense of relevance for nature for her entire being. I want to work in Japan. I want to understand culture, to understand Japan. It was easy to say, but Japanese was difficult and she had given up before. She didn't even have a visa. The first step felt impossibly far away. Then she found a community called Japan Tekare Hub. 6 months later, Sarah is now in Tokyo. She works at an AI company while learning about Japanese culture and sharing it with others. The sense of wonder she felt in the team, she now passes on to her juniors and friends. Let's be real, working or living in Japan as a foreign engineer is exciting, but the Japanese language can be a huge barrier. Even if a job requires technical experts, most companies expect employees to communicate effectively in Japanese not only for daily tasks, but also for meetings, reporting, and building relationships. Many job postings in Japan specify JLPT N3 or higher as a requirement. This is because N3 level Japanese indicates that the candidate can understand everyday compositions and read basic workplace documents. At this level, an engineer can follow instructions, participate in simple discussions, and handle routine communication without relying solely on English. Employees set N3 or higher as a benchmark to ensure that new hires can integrate smoothly into the team, understand workplace norms, and reduce communication gaps. For more client-facing or management roles, N2 or N1 is often preferred, but N3 is considered a practical minimum for an entry to mid-level positions. NihongoDev is an online business Japanese language service designed to help engineers from around the world successfully transition to careers in Japan by teaching effective communication strategies and Japanese business culture. We offer full remote Japanese lessons tailored to your career plan. We also provide Japanese interview preparation and practical training. You can even take mock JLPT exams as part of the course. Right now, you can get 30% off for the first 3 months. Sign up through the link in the description. Let's make your dream of working in Japan come true together. See you in the next video. Bye.